Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I did a thing. I'm not the type to buy from TikTok shops, but I saw a TikTok shop called Mr. Fancy Pants Color, I think. Oh no, Mr. Fancy Pants Supply Company. That's the name of it. And the video that I saw that just made me fall in love with these mica powders is a video showing Riodo. It is a gorgeous chameleon. Lots of pinks, purples, and blues in there. Of course, I know the camera's not going to pick it up as well. But, oh, there you go. That kind of shows it. Oh my god. So, I picked that up. So, this is a 2-gram jar. The Riodo was $7.71. I also got Galileo, which is very pretty. Also, 2 ounces, and this one was $5.13. It's called Galileo Ghost. Very pretty. And then the last one that I got is called Joplin. It's a 6 grams, and this one was $7.71. I can't remember. Of course, you know me. I always have to get a blue. Blue's my favorite. I can't remember if there was a sale on these on the TikTok shop when I ordered them. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. So my total was $20.55 for these 3 plus shipping. They did come really quick. So I'm super happy with that. I am not sponsored by them. I've not contacted them or had them contact me. I just really fell in love with the Riodo, and I decided to try it for myself. So, I don't make a commission or anything, but if you find this video helpful and you want to order from them, it's Mr. Fancy Pants Supply Company or Supply Co. And their website is MrFancyPants.com. How did they manage to get that? I would have thought all of the great URLs were gone by now. Anyway, so today's video will be a test video. I want to test these out. And I want to test them out in 2 different ways, right? So, the first way is going to be dusting bookmarks with the mica powder and then pouring black resin in them. And then the other way is going to be mixing the mica powders into the resin and pouring them straight into the bookmark molds. I do need to clean these off a bit. It's been a while since I've dug these out of my storage bin. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to test the different ways to use the mica powders, and we'll see how it goes. So let's, yeah, super simple for today. And then on Thursday's video, I will be deciding, I'm going to be using at least one of the mica powders, if not 2 or 3, for a project. And this will help me decide if I want to dust the mica powder on or mix it in. Because the video that I saw on TikTok of Riodo, they had mixed it in, and it was just, oh, it was so gorgeous looking. So, yes, this is going to be like a help me figure out what I want to do for Thursday's video. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, friends. I'm excited to see how these turned out. They are still quite soft. It's only been about 8 hours since I poured them, but I have to leave for work soon. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is the Galileo. So here it is mixed into the resin. It's very, very pretty. Very sparkly. I wonder, let me see something real quick. Sorry. Let me do this. Why is it not working? No. I want the, oh, that's why. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, that's not really doing anything for it. Never mind. No, stop. Okay. Okay, never mind. I was hoping that the rest of the colors would come up with like an additional light to it, but I guess not. Okay, so that's the poured. This is the dusted with black. We're having the same thing as we did with the flowers in that tray. I guess you can kind of see it when I turn it. You can see that purple popping up. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Very pretty. Again, still very, very soft. So this is the Joplin mixed in. Very nice. This is showing true to color on camera, by the way. It's got the green and the blue. Very pretty. And Joplin dusted. Wow. Very green and gold. Like even in person. There is some blue in there when I turn it. But yeah, it's really interesting how that that black just changes it to green. Okay, and here's the one I'm most looking forward to, Rioto. This is Rioto mixed in. Oh my goodness. Oh. Goodness gracious. Man, oh man. Okay. And Rioto dusted. Wow. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So anyway, I'm still not sure yet which color I want to use, or colors I want to use for Thursday's video. So stick around to find out what I decide to do with it. I'm also not sure what I'm going to make on Thursday yet. So definitely stick around for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. You're definitely going to want to do that to see what I do on Thursday. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.